You are welcome to today's session. So today we have this question on the board to solve. This whole week, what we'll be doing is that we're solving a lot of questions under that is quadratic equation. So we have this question on the board to solve. It says that find the true set of the equation. So let's solve it. Now, first of all, you have it this way. So you rewrite the whole thing 5x squared equal to x plus 2 multiplying x plus 3. So for you to be able to solve it, first of all, you need to multiply these ones first. So you have 5x squared, and what you have here, when you multiply it, you have x, this x multiplying x plus 3. These two multiply this one 2. So you have 2 multiplying x plus 3. This time that is what, x squared. This time that's this 3x. 2 times the x is 2x. 2 times this one will give you 6. Then you put it together, you have 5x plus 6 plus the x squared. So that is what you are going to put over here. Alright, so you have x squared plus 5x plus 6. Alright, I hope you are following. Now, when you have it this way, what you do is that quadratic equation are in the form ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. So you will write the whole thing over here in this format. So what are you going to do? You move everything to this side, giving you, that is 5x squared. This one will move to the other side, so minus x squared. Then you have this one too, minus 5x. This one goes there, so you have minus 6 equal to 0. So when you deduct, you have 4x squared minus 5x minus 6 equal to 0. From here, you can see that this one is now in the form of what you have over here. Now, when you are done, the a, which is the coefficient of the x squared, will multiply the c. So in this case, the coefficient of the x squared is 4. The 4 will multiply the c, which is 6. So you have what? 24, negative 24. Out of that, you need to find the factors of 24. So you have 1, 24, 2, 12, 3, 8. You have 4, 6. Out of this, you have to choose the one that when you multiply, it will give you, that is the factor that when you multiply, it will give you a negative 24. But that same factor, when you add or subtract, it will give you the middle term over here, which in this case is negative 5x. So because of time, I will just move straight with this one. So the 3 and the 8. Okay, so 8 times 3 is 24. But 8 plus 3 will give you 11, which is not equal to this. So you can make it neg 8 times 3 to give us the neg 24. Neg 8 plus 3 will give us neg 5. So you're going to replace it with what you have over here, giving you 4x squared, alright, minus 8x plus 3x, minus 6 equal to 0. So at the end of the day, what is happening? You put these two in bracket, these two also in brackets. So x here, you factorize that one out. 4 here, you factorize it out, leaving you here with x. And this side too will also be 2. So that 4x times x will give you 4x squared. 4x times the 2 will give you 8x. Alright. Then what do you do? Here there's x here, no x here, 3 here, 3, 6 over so here. So you factorize, and what do you have? You have 3 outside, x minus 2 equal to 0. Now the question that you have to ask yourself, 3 times this, what does it give you? That is 3x. 3 times 2 will also give you what? 6. Alright. Then when you are done, that is in this bracket is the same here. So you write one of them, x minus 2. Then you write the ends to 4x plus 3 equal to 0. Now because you want the true set, what means that you want the value for x, so that you can put it in to know which value of x actually satisfy the equation. So you have x minus 2 equal to 0, and x, this one will move to this side, giving you 2. All right, then you come to this side also, which is 4x plus 3 equal to 0. You have 4x, this one will move to the other side, giving you like 3. You divide both sides by the coefficient of x. X will be equal to like 3 over 4. And these are the values of x. So the truth set, you can write it this way. Therefore, the values of x in the form that is like 3 over 4 comma 2. All right, but in most cases what you have to do is that to be sure that what you've done is correct, you have to put in the value of x to see whether it will give you the same thing that you are looking for. So for instance, let's look at this one. This is 5x, assuming that x is 2 and a square. So that will give you 5 times 4, which is what? 20. Now let's look at this, x plus 2 multiplying x plus 3. Here is 2, that is 4. So when you put, you have 4, all right. Here too you have that is 5. This times this, that will give you what? 20. So realize that this side is giving you 20, this side is also giving you 20. Then you test for this one also.